everyone, thank you for tuning in today. Guys, this is my friend here, Evelyn, a Ghanaian. Today she's inviting me to her kitchen. She wants to show me how to make the Ghana Shito. So if you're interested, keep watching. Let's go right in and do this together.
Shito is from Ghana, typically from the Ghana tribe, and they normally use it to eat Kenke. Okay. So we call it Kenke and Shito. Okay. If you buy Kenke.
Guys, we are right now here in our kitchen. I'm going to let her introduce the ingredients that we are going to be using for the Shito. So please stay tuned. Over to you.
Okay, our ingredients for our Shito, Ghana Shito, is shrimps. This one is blended shrimps, and this one is smoked fish, blended smoked fish. We have here our vegetable spices. We have Maggi spices, Maggi cubes, and I have 1 tomato paste. We have pepper here. We have ginger. I am coming to blend it. We have onions. We have our oil for the Shito, and lastly we have our salt to taste. I'm cutting my onions into smaller pieces so that it will blend well. So I'll be cutting my onions and ginger, then I'll blend it together with the pepper. Everybody have its own style of cooking the Shito, and this is my style.
Please note that at this point you must not use water to blend the onion, ginger and pepper. You must only use oil to blend it together because this sauce needs no moisture at all. Guys, for this particular recipe she's using some beef. This is optional, you can do without the beef, and she's going to be frying it very dry to get rid of all moisture. You know, this sauce does not need no moisture at all. So while that is frying, here is the blended ginger, onion and pepper. I cannot open the pot right now, guys, because it splashes a lot. Be mindful of that. That means you have to use a very deep pot when you want to make the sauce. Yeah. So you can see this is how your beef should look like. It should be very hard and very dry like so. When it's like this, the Shito will last for a very, very long time. So you must fry it to be like this. Now you are going to add in more oil after taking out the fried beef. Shito needs more oil. It is the oil that preserves it for a longer time. Here she has just added some tomato paste, and this she did before the oil gets so hot. If the oil is so hot before you add the tomato paste, it will start burning easily. So you have to add it before the oil is overheated. Here is the blended puree. That is the onion, ginger and pepper. We are going to be adding that soon into the tomato paste. I hope you guys are finding this video interesting at this point. Please, if you do, give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. So we are now adding in the blended puree into the tomato paste. Remember to keep stirring while doing this so it does not splash on you. in the Maggi cube and the vegetable spice. Powdered dry fish.
You can see the color is changing.
This is the blended shrimp going in now.
Without this, your shito will not be sweet. This one and the smoked fish. It's make our shito delicious.
Wow. Look how it's splashing.
Because it's too much. Normally, if you're in the house, you not make it too much like this. With this, we still need more oil, I think.
We're now adding powdered pepper.
So guys, this is it. You keep frying until it turns to dark brown color, but it is optional. If you don't like that dark brown looking color, you can as well leave it like this. So tell me, are you going to be trying this? Trust me, this sauce is so delicious. I have tested it and you can use it for any meals. It is one sauce you can easily fall onto when you just want to eat something quick. You can use it to eat your rice, boiled yam, plantain, fish, and so many. I would like to get your take on this in the comment section after trying this. So guys, please stay tuned. We are going to ask her some few questions on how to preserve the sauce and why the Ghanaians love shito so much.
So, I want to ask, why do Ghanaians love shito so much? Because all my Ghanaian friends, they cannot do without shito. They use it to eat and spice up their food. So many times I've seen them. So why do Ghanaians love shito?
Thank you, my sister, for this question. Shito is from Ghana, typically from the Ghana tribe, and they normally use it to eat kenke.
Okay.
So we call it kenke and shito.
Okay.
If you buy kenke,
Yeah.
you have to collect your shito, your black shito and your red shito
Okay.
to eat.
Okay,
them.
kenke,
Yes.
shito has two types.
Yes.
The red and the black
Yeah,
shito.
the grounded one.
Okay.
Then you have to add shito to it plus your fish or your meat.
Okay.
And at the same time, we have fancy kenke. That one too must be eaten with shito.
Okay.
Shito can be eaten with many food,
Yeah.
like rice, bangkun, and even if you have meat,
Yeah.
you can garnish it with shito and eat
Okay.
it. It's nice.
Okay.
And people love shito. Ghanaians, we really love shito. And
Okay.
our shito is tasting good today.
Oh, yeah, I can see that. It's really looking nice. And what's the best way to preserve it to stay for a longer time?
Okay, so far as you have finished cooking and you have really cooked it well, after putting it down for it to cool, you can put it in a jar or in a bowl, and there is more oil on top. So is the oil
The jar, is it a glass jar or
glass jar?
Okay.
It's any container which you can preserve it in. But there is oil on top, so it's the oil which will preserve your shito for you.
Okay, that means the shito needs a lot
Yeah,
of
always there should be oil
oil
on top.
Okay.
Always. If the oil is not on top, it will get dry and it will spoil. But if always the oil is on top, you are okay to go. You can keep it in the fridge,
Okay.
and you can at the same time keep it in your shrink.
Oh, that's what
And
I want to ask.
it don't expire unless your oil is not
Good.
more.
Okay,
Yeah.
wow.
So and you can keep it, let's say like 1 or 2 months.
Okay.
Yeah, shito doesn't spoil because in shops we have already made shito.
Okay.
That's at times will be there for almost some months, which is not spoiling because there is oil on top.
Okay.
So what preserves shito is oil.
Okay.
Yeah, the oil that you use in making it.
Okay. Oh, thank you so much. I
You're
am
welcome,
so
my sister.
happy having you invite me to your kitchen to come and learn how to make shito.
Yeah,
I am
today
so
you
happy.
today you surprised me because I've never been interviewed like this before. So I'm a little bit tense. But it's normal. Next time you come, The next time you will come, I'll be more prepared for you.
Okay, that's nice.
And I think the next time you will prepare Ghana wachi.
Oh, I can't wait for that. Thank you so much. Thank you
welcome,
for
my
having
sister.
me in your kitchen. Guys, this is
Empress Kitchen.
Empress Kitchen. The shito is shitoing. And I can't just wait for this rice to get cooked so that we can just test it with the shito.
So guys, thank you so much for tuning in today. If this is your first time here, you are welcome, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so for more videos like this. Hope to see more of you again in my next one. And please remember, before you go, like, comment and share this video. Thank you so much. Bye.